In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change lock screen clock font size on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap at General and then Software Update. Here we need to ensure that we have iOS 17 or newer installed on our iPhone. If you have an older version of iOS, here you can click at the button to download and install the latest version. This is necessary in order to use the feature that I'm going to talk about today, because it only appeared in iOS 17. Once it is done, we can close Settings. Then just swipe down from the top of the screen and then long press somewhere here to activate that mode. After that, hit Customize, then select Lock Screen. After that, tap at Time widget here. That's where we can easily change font, and by dragging this slider right or left, we can easily change font size. We can make it bolder or thicker just by dragging it left or right, just like that. Once it is done, tap somewhere here and then Done to save the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.